Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Do you want to treat your customers on this Halloween? I will show you how to add a 30% of special offer that runs just for the day. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have added this link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the Shopify admin panel and just click on the app. Choose the create new discount option and click on discount code as the discount type. Now we can add our discount code whatever we want. For now I'm adding Halloween 30 here as my discount code and I'm giving a percentage of 30 and a capping amount of 300. And this discount can be applied to all products or a specific collection or a specific product. So for now, I'm choosing it as for all products. And I can also set some minimum purchase requirement. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for here. So I'm choosing the first option. And I can also have some customer eligibility criteria here. For now, I'm choosing it as for all the customers. Now I can limit the number of times this count can be used in total. Let's say like first 100 users should be able to avail this offer like that. And also I can choose how many times this discount can be used per customer. Like I can choose like this discount should be applied for the customer only one time like that. And I can also set this start date and end date like through which days or time this discount will be available. We can set it on our Halloween day or for the week over the Halloween is going on. Like that, I can set the date and time here. And I can also combine this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or shipping discount. And after adding all this necessary details, I can just save the changes. Now I'm checking whether my discount code is got activated or not from the discount section. Now you can see that this discount code is got activated. Now we can check the setup in our online store. So I'm choosing the product. For now I'm buying this product of worth 1025 and I'm adding my Halloween 30 as my code here. Now you can see that the 300 that the capping amount is deducted from the MRP. So now I'm checking with some other products. So the cost of this product is 5000. Even I'm checking with same code. Our capping amount ensures that only the 300 is got deducted, not more than that. Even though the cart value is high, the cap amount is limited. Like the discount amount is limited to our capping amount. So if you like tutorial like this, tap this subscribe so you never miss the next one. And that's how you create a 30% off discount for Halloween day in your Shopify using Nest Discount app. Don't forget to grab the link from the description and try this out in your store. Thanks for watching.